me hot. You know, I can still remember when it was just me and you. Suddenly it's you and your crew now. Forget everything about your boo now. I wish you woulda treat me like a block. I woulda love it if you keep my cock. I wish you woulda treat me like a yacht. Keep me wet while the waves in my rock. Why you can't give up me like the corner and keep your legs palming like your marijuana? I woulda love it if you treat me like the club. See you being on me when I just go back right now. So what your woman needs, so while you live on the streets all the time, so feel this in my world. And these streets don't love you like I do. And if you know that you wanna keep your woman loving you, if you show that the love we have when it takes so much effort to build. Oh, you know that. But just like a plain old jersey, you are okay, sure. Hey, I wish you woulda treat me like an ounce. Me know you're not let go that when you bounce. Wishing that a woman have boots like your Tim's. Needs a hot colder than the size of your rims. Why you can't see a pop me like the phone man? I never leave the house without me like the crow man. Boy, I wish you woulda treat me like your whips. Your girl's a perfect 10, but the Benz them are only a 5. I say, you don't understand. So what your woman needs, so while they on the street all the time, so feelings in my world. These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. If you show that the love we have when it takes so much effort to build. But you know that we're just like a plain old jersey, you are. Hey, Roman. You see, if you not come home, don't worry about it. Somebody else will come home for you. So my thing said, I don't apologize for that neither. Big man thing. You see, if you don't like it, don't do it. But do me, you do you. We two different people. And you don't mind it when you have the advantage, you know, that we're different. I don't know why you mind it other times. Just mind the business and we're all good. So when me say, if you don't come home, somebody else will come home for you. We don't expect nobody else to look on we and I turn up them nose.